Hello guys, what up? This is Dato Alex, and Zhiyun just released a new Crane 3 and the Weebill Lab Gimbal. Everyone hyping on it. But what I like the most on both gimbal is the underslung design, undersling, whatever it is you call it, where you have one of the handles sticking out from the gimbal and have it like a low angle mode. But I own a Crane 2, and here's the Crane 2 that my friend using it right now. There's an M50 camera on top of it, and I bought the Crane 2 along with the dual handle here, and the dual handle is just amazing. And sometimes I use the dual handle if there's like if I need to put a monitor or I just want to have a precision shots. I definitely use the dual handle. And sometimes I inverted the gimbal into this mode where you can have a low angle shot, but it's not that really convenient where you have to like go bend down a bit just to go even lower. So then the Crane 3 solved the problem. So what we did here, we just unscrewed the dual handle, and then basically we just repositioned the dual handle on top of the Crane 2. So as you can see here, my friend, he just take the dual handle and just position it above of the follow focus wheel, and just make sure the Zhiyun logo there is facing outwards from the follow focus, otherwise it will interfere with the follow focus wheel. And then after you tighten up the dual handle, you can remove the hand grip, which is the other side here, and just remove it. And the rod that's sticking out, you can actually remove it. I have tried it before. You can remove the rod there, the sticking out thing there. You can definitely remove it, but sadly I permanently glue it there because it's super loose that time. I shouldn't glue it, so it's my fault. So you can also remove the base, which is a tripod on top of the handle, which is the hand grip. So it looked like something like the Weebill Lab does, where the tripod, you just remove it, put it on top, and turn into a low angle mode. So here's the Crane 2 with the underslung mode kind of looking. It's super amazing. It's super dope if you can remove the rod. You can remove it if you own this dual handle. So here's some of the test shot that we did with my friend with the gimbal in this kind of position. Without a rod, you can definitely go lower. So here's the result of the video. So with that setup, you can definitely go lower, and you don't need to use the dual handle setups with inverted mode to go lower. Just change your Crane 2 into this setup, so you can definitely go lower. But make sure your dual handle, the rod can be removed. It can be removed. I tried it before, like I said, but I just permanently glue it there, so just don't glue it. And I will stick with my Crane 2. I don't think I'll be upgrading to this newer gimbal because I don't really see the point yet for me. Crane 2 does do the job pretty well for me. So hope you guys like this video, and see you guys next time.